So, good day, sir. I am Abigail A. Versosa, and I'm with Leslie Kate Rosalada, and we are here to the final activity, which will be generating the 10 relevant reports, which is first 1, 2, and 3 is the list of employee count pending, approve, reject, and by leave application. 4 is list of employee leave application handled by HR. Then 5 is list of employee departure and arrival time of past leave.
So, 6 and 7, less of employee count, approve, reject, pending, bypass slip. 8, less of field employee, pass slip handled by HR. 9, less of employee, departure and arrival time, bypass slip. Last number 10, less of field employee purpose bypass slip. So first, we will be doing the less of field employee purpose bypass slip. Select employee ID, employee full name, pass slip ID, pass slip filing date, pass slip type, pass slip purpose. From employee, join pass slip on employee ID equals pass slip employee ID ordered by full name, pass slip filing date. Date of filing to ba? So ganito dali type of pass slip to ba? Pass slip type. Kontek ka ba? Biglato. Wait lang ma'am. Ang pass slip parang big letter lang ay small letter. So here's the output of purpose bypass slip.
Modula si J. Naguban mo? Kita na lang. Silvana, wait ba? Tama. Pero mo yung mga hero. Silvana. Tapos yung Silvana. Nawala na.
Kung sa ka na kapit na mo, ayak para dyan nandiyan.
Filing.
Date of filing or date filing date? Ano na ba yung
Near you. No.
that ba? Filing. Because
Ay, fish. Fish.
Ang kapasilip. Dito filing mga bro.
kasi filing date.
Dito filing bro.
Date of filing. Date. Ano ba yun? Ano? I'm done. Ano? Sabi niyo, may mga So here's the output of count approved status by PASLIP.
Ah!
Maklaro man ako.
Oo, binatang
Date of underscore sad. Date of filing. Big letter.
small letter ang F.
Ay, ay.
Ito pa. Ay, kung dyan mo.
Ano? Departure. Ang departure kay big letter. Ay, departure time na. Aray.
Parang leng.
Ay, alalay ba yung time?
Walay
Ay,
time
dali.
sa departure. Departure ka.
Wala din nakasabot sa activity.
So next, list of employee departure and arrival time by past sleep. Select employee full name, employee department, employee position, past sleep ID, past sleep departure, past sleep arrival time. From employee, join past sleep on employee ID equals. So here's the output of departure and arrival time by past sleep. Next, employee past sleep handled by HR. Select employee ID, employee full name, employee department, past sleep type, past sleep reason, past sleep filing date, past sleep arrival time, past sleep departure. From employee, join past sleep on employee ID, past sleep ID, join HR on past sleep HR equals HR ID ordered by employee ID, past sleep filing date. So here's the result of employee past sleep handled by HR.
So next is the list of employee departure and arrival time of past sleep. So I'll be doing the select employee full name, employee department as department, employee position as position, past sleep as past sleep ID, and past sleep and department as departure, and then past sleep dot arrival time as arrival time. So from past sleep, inner join employee on past sleep that employee ID is equal to employee that employee ID ordered by past sleep filing date.
Ano na activity la Ryan eh? Okay.
Anong kalugar? Anong kalugar na?
Naraon. Naraon. So here's the output of it. Grabe. Ayo, i-delete ka like imo pa nang i-explain niya.
Naman mo naman mo. Ay, oo. Ito email number 8 na. Number 8. Okay, dugay na ako. Ako dapat nawalan to drone. Dugay ka po. Dito drone ako dapat nawalo. Moro ang drone ako. Di na ako mabutang PS.
Oo man ang
Kanina rin yung nawag eh.
PS, anak na. Or kompleto.
Wala, iwan na ka naman.
Ang paslit type. Date ko na. Wala.
type of
Mabigil.
paslit.
Type of paslit. Type.
Ay, paslit type. Sige nga, ayaw. Buto ni katong ana.
Ano na?
Sige na.
Paslit solution.
So isin lang. Ay, no, sorry, gawin mo na ako dito.
Filing date.
Paslit the
What?
filing date. Among
Paslit.
filing dito kay double L sa filing.
Sa day ang
Triple L man pa ganina.
Ah! Ah!
paslit.
Sunod na. Sunod.
Ganito.
Salida?
Ito ko to. Awat-awat.
Busog kita lang sa sana pa ano mga tayo man.
Okay din.
Okay, nice. Parang late.
ID, kuha na biglat, ay, kuha lang, small letter lang. Paslip type.
Type of paslip. Paslip type.
Ano ito, mabalik? Paslip. Kani? Kani, paslip. Paslip type. Yun. Yun, paslip. Paslip type.
Type of plastic.
Big letter. Okay lang.
TPS ang
Type. Underscore type. Big letter. Underscore type. Kani isang reason. Or siguro ay big letter ang R ano. Reject status bypass loop. Select employee ID, employee full name, count, passlip ID, has count, rejected from employee, join passlip on employee ID equals passlip ID, where passlip ID status equals rejected, group by employee ID, employee full name, order by employee ID.
Ano? Libre ako. Dog, scatter ka na. Wag kami. Pakasin ka, wasinik mo daw. Oh,
Passlip.
ha? Nagit, asan ako kay di ka kaabot. No, bangko iso. Tinduga lagi ka. Oh, foul. Dai, narang week na yan. Free dai ikaw.
Ligawat.
Ay, nagawas. Kinakilala mo ka.
Ay, ulay ko.
Ulat.
No. Passive status. Never close.
Masig walay
So here's the output of count of rejected. Next, pending status by past sleep. Select employee ID, employee full name, count, past sleep ID, has count, pending, from employee, join past sleep on employee ID equals past sleep employee ID, where past sleep status equals pending, group by employee ID, employee full name, ordered by employee ID.
Receive na reject.
Suggested. Ganahan ko mag-type lang.
Ay, sige ka. Ganun po tayo kukuha niya.
Kakunti ka.
Wow.
So here's the result of pending status by past sleep.
So first, I'm gonna do the list of field employee leave application handled by HR. And as you can see, it has a lot of errors, so I'm gonna fix it lang muna.
Right, count past sleep.
Mataga? Hindi mataga. Okay. Ano iba? Okay. Ingas ka? Kang ito muna ito.
Wala. So I'm gonna do a select employee full name, leave application, leave type, leave application reason, leave application that request date, leave application that end date, and leave application that HR ID. From leave application, inner join to employee. On leave application, employee ID is equal to employee that employee ID ordered by leave application request date.
Yung ID, doon na. Basahin niyo yung ID.
So this is the output. You can see the request date and HR ID.
Ate, kami ulang ito ngayon eh. Kasi tabi. Tinay mo. Nakoy Jis oh. Ito na ba lang yun? Itanong na. Ito mo nila. Ito sa tabi. Okay. Okay, tanong na ko. Di mo nagtudlong di para mutubo sa tiyan. Di mo nagtudlong para mutubo sa tiyan. Gawa sila sa mong pusod. Karasan eh. Ano escape mo? Ako? Ay, oo. Ikaw, galing mo. Ikaw, galing mo. Wala, i-join mo niya. Pag ka ng kada-kada mo, i-join mo. Ikaw lang pag-joining eh. Ako na mag-join, pero di pa ba lang join?
So next is the list of employee count pending by leave application. So there's an error and I can fix it. So I'm gonna copy and paste na lang the code. The code that Leslie did earlier. Like, it's because it's the same It's just the same because it's also the pending and reject lang naman, and I'm gonna change lang the variable. So it's an empty set because we will be I will be presenting you the leave application table. So you can see in this table that there's no reject here. So next is the pending. First day kanina is I did the reject. So now is the pending. So it's just the same code and I'm gonna change lang the variable. And here's the output of the pending. And next is the approve. So it's just the same and I'm gonna edit lang the variable to change the variable, I mean to pending into approve. I'm gonna fix this muna. So, I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna cancel this muna so that I can continue what I'm doing. So I'm gonna check first the show first the table and leave application table. And after that, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna continue the approve. And here's the output. So that's all, sir. Thank you.